guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here. If I look a little different to you guys, it's because I don't have on any eyebrows, and today I'm actually going to be trying an eyebrow stamp. I'm a first-time mom. I really don't wear makeup during the day, but I love to do my eyebrows, so we're going to try out this eyebrow stamp. I really don't know what to expect. I'm going to link the company information on the screen and in the description in case you guys are interested in shopping, but this is what the eyebrow stamp looks like. This is the packaging. I got the shade dark brown. They did offer different shades in case you guys were interested. Don't really know what to expect, guys. So it does come with a little mini spoolie and an eyebrow filler. I had my big one because I didn't know what to expect. You do get a few different stencils, which I'll show you. And then you also get this thing that says brow stamp. And then the cool part about it is you can also use it as hair follicles. Oh, okay. So when you open it up, the product is in there and this is the stamp. I'm excited. First thing we're gonna do is look at the different templates that they have, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, so low-key eyebrow stamp number 1 looks really good. Eyebrow stamp 1, it's like a nice high arch. Low-key, I think I might go with the first stamp. I have a bunch of eyebrow tutorials here on YouTube, and so many people are like, I just don't get it. So we're gonna see if this eyebrow stamp makes it easier. So these ones are more like straight brows, not really my style, but definitely like straighter brows. Number 2. Okay, here's eyebrow stamp number 3. Ooh, okay, no, these are more rounded off. Okay, number 4 looks like an ultra arch. So I'm definitely getting ultra arched brows with number 4. So you get 6 different templates. Ooh, okay, number 6 looks like a thin brow, which, you know, sometimes is cute. Ooh, okay. Number 6 and number 1 are my favorite. We'll probably go with 1 because I feel like this is going to be the closest to how I like to wear my brow. I think I'm gonna just try to pop my eyebrows all the way up, just like this stencil kind of mimics my brow the most. Oh gosh. Okay, we got the stamp out. Let's put it back. I got a mirror over here. Do we just bounce it? Or do we kind of like wipe it? I'm gonna just bounce it all over. So I would say the hardest part would be really figuring out what to do with this, because it's like I could kind of looks crazy. So okay, let's take it off. Ready? Okay, she's beefy, she's bold. What I am going to do, ooh, and she's like up and stuck. So for me, I personally like my brows little more at like an ombre. It's not out of my ordinary to not use concealer. I normally use concealer every time I do my brows. So I just take a tiny brush and my Tarte concealer Shape Tape. This is my favorite concealer ever. I just like to add concealer to the bottom of my brow. And then I like to just drag it down. The next step that I do is it's really crucial. Granted, the eyebrow looks really good to me. I don't have to go in and do this second step that I normally do, but I'm gonna show you guys because, so you gotta make your brush as flat as you can get it. And then you kind of just draw lines down. Hold on, now we just need to blend out. I personally think it looks really nice. This is template 1. What I would do is try the different templates. I'm not going to try another template right now so I can have 2 different brows. So if you guys are like a beginner at doing your brows, you really don't know how to draw brows, or better yet, you're not really confident at drawing your brows, I feel like this low-key looks really nice. So, and I'm going to just use the same one, and I'm going to be simultaneously filming for TikTok. So you guys, I'm going to start off by brushing my brows up and out. I think this should work. And then no second thoughts, we're gonna just bounce that on there. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. And I think that this is really fun. Just make sure that tail end is good. That tail end is good. So like always, this is what it looks like. It's gonna be real scary at first, you guys. So this is how it is. This one a little higher? Now it looked like an emoji. I'm gonna just take some of that inside product because I feel like it didn't stamp the product in all the way. So this is how I would normally fill in my brows. Hold my breath when doing the arches and stuff. Clean up our brows. Take your time. Draw lines down my brow like that. This is how the brows turned out. Low-key, I am impressed. What I do want to do is try the other stencils to see how they work. I feel like this is an alternative to my brows that I will take. I love the product. I feel like the dark brown is not too dark brown. I feel like this is the perfect shade. They had like dark brown, light brown, maybe auburn and blonde. And I was kind of like, do I need to go light brown? Because sometimes I wear blonde wigs, but I feel like this is the perfect color. It's natural. It's currently matching my hair now, and I'm here for it. I feel like if you did the steps that I did, because normally I would never not conceal my brows. It's definitely a step that I always take, period, like regardless of, even if I got my eyebrows freshly waxed and I'm filling in my brows, I'm always going to conceal because it just makes my eyebrows look crisp and perfect. As you guys can see, I feel like they are pretty good, but I didn't literally like put them both like this and then stamp it because I only have two hands and I don't understand how I could do that. I would say the thing that was difficult was kind of reapplying this when I had the stamp on my eye. So you just have to make sure everything is ready. For me, I personally like to do my eyebrows first and then I'll go in and do my makeup, but low key, I'm here for it. I loved how easy it was. Granted, if I wasn't doing a tutorial right now, it would be a little faster, but I am here for stamped brows. What are you guys' thoughts? Would you guys ever try stamped brows or what? But you guys, they kind of look really good. It's a quick update. It's literally been all day. Just gave my daughter a bath. My eyebrows are still on. They're going strong. My husband actually says that he really likes my eyebrows. And granted, they have not come off. So I thought that was cool. It lasted all day. And I feel like I'm gonna now wipe them because it's literally time for me to like wipe off my brows, like take off my makeup and stuff. They still look good. So little quick update. You're so pretty. Say hi. Say okay, bye. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You guys can check out the description. This is a company that sells lashes and a lot of other stuff, so definitely give them a try. Like I said, I got the shade dark brown. So I would just highly recommend you just get dark brown because it's not like black, you know what I mean? It's not like a dark, unflattering tone, and it's just super pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.